In this video, I'm going to be going through lesson 1 of the Claude for Insurance course. I'm going to copy my prompt from the WhereToBegin.ai dashboard and paste it into Claude. This is actually an interactive course where Claude teaches you about how to use Claude specific for insurance professionals. I'm going to make this full screen so you guys can see it. And in about 30 seconds, the class is going to start. There we go. It says, "Hey Ben, let's get you into lesson 1. You actually started and kicked it off properly. Without further ado, let's get started." So then it says type "let's go" into the box below to get started. And I'm going to go through this interactive course. There are 12 total lessons. This video is only going to cover the basics, which is lesson 1. And then you'll see lesson 2, which is how to fill out accord forms in Claude. It's going to teach you how to do that. So I'm going to read this aloud. It says, "Hi, I'm Claude, the AI you'll be working with, and I'll be your guide from here. We go at your pace. There's no clock, and you can ask me anything, anytime, even things that aren't part of the lesson. That's the whole point. One quick thing to know so you know what to expect. Right now, you're in regular Claude, which is chat mode. It works in your web browser, on your phone, iPad, or the desktop app. And they sync in real time, so you can start on your laptop and pick up on your phone. This is part 1, where you'll learn the fundamentals of Claude. Then later in part 2, you'll learn Claude Co-work, which lets me reach real files on your computer and work with them. For now, everything happens right here. Sound good?" And I'm going to say yes. This whole course is interactive and it's you chatting with Claude. It's also going to teach you the big ideas and frameworks of how to think about using Claude. So here's the big idea before anything else. Learning to work with me is a lot like learning to cook. You don't need to memorize 1,000 recipes, you just need the fundamentals and a little practice. We're going to make a few dishes together, and once you've got the tools down, you can make all sorts of incredible recipes on your own. That's the purpose of this course. When you're ready, type next and I'll walk you through the game plan. As I type next, we can see it's pulling up the lesson roadmap. So in part 1, we're going to learn about how to talk to Claude. We're in this lesson right now. Then meet skills, which is also known as recipes in Claude, and we're going to fill in Accord 125, like I mentioned earlier. Then we're going to teach Claude, or rather learn how to use Claude with our own documents, so do summaries, policy comparisons, and draft client emails. In lesson 4, we're going to learn how to teach Claude about projects and memory so that it understands who's in your agency, how you like to write, what carriers you work with, etc. Lesson 5 is where you connect your tools like your email and your calendar. And lesson 6 is how to research and find new leads with Claude. In part 2, you learn Claude Co-work, and that's where you learn how to utilize Claude for Chrome, where it can actually go into carrier portals for you and your AMS to help with submissions. And one thing to note, it says, before you wonder whether you're techie enough, if you can use a Word document and send an email, you already have every skill you need to finish this. None of it is coding. These are lessons to learn, and you can redo them at any time. This course is yours for good. You're also not on your own. If you ever hit a real question, there are real people behind this course, like myself and my team, and you can email help@WhereToBegin.ai at any time. You can also ask Claude your questions first, and Claude is able to answer as well. Next, how to talk to me, how to talk to Claude, right? Type like you're texting a coworker. Using slang like biz, B-I-Z is totally fine. We're going to hit next and get set up. Claude is going to ask us if we're on a phone, a computer, or a tablet so that it knows exactly which lesson plan to go with. And it's going to make sure you're using the legitimate version from WhereToBegin.ai. I'm going to say, yes, I got it from WhereToBegin.ai. Okay. The important thing, Claude is going to walk us through the privacy settings to make sure that Anthropic, the company that makes Claude, is not training its models, its AI, on the data that we put into it. So it says, click your initials in the bottom left corner, click the settings button, then select privacy, and make sure help improve our AI models is off. I've already done this, but I'm going to show you guys the steps. So bottom left, settings, then we're going to click on privacy. Then here, help improve our AI models. We're going to make sure that this is turned off, so it's fully gray. And once that's done, we type done. Cool. If we had any questions during that, we could just ask Claude to help us out, give us more detail, etc. Now it's going to ask some personal questions. I'm going to stop this video here, but it's going to ask me for my name, my agency's website or information about the agency, our location, carriers we work with, etc. And once this lesson is done, it'll automatically let you know how to start lesson 2, or you can always go to your WhereToBegin.ai dashboard, click on lesson 2, and then click to copy the prompt and paste it into a new chat in Claude. Enjoy.